Welcome to today's video on implementing exception handling in Java. Ever wondered how software stays reliable even when unexpected errors occur? The answer is exception handling. In Java, an exception is an unexpected event that occurs during program execution, like dividing by zero or accessing a missing file. Exception handling allows programmers to anticipate, catch, and handle errors gracefully instead of letting the program crash. This ensures software reliability and a smooth user experience. Java provides keywords like try, catch, finally, throw, and throws to manage exceptions. Try block contains code that might throw an exception. Catch block handles the exception. Finally block executes cleanup code regardless of errors. By implementing these properly, developers can prevent crashes, log errors, and maintain robust software. From desktop applications to large-scale enterprise software, exception handling in Java is a cornerstone of reliable development. It keeps programs stable, improves user trust, and makes debugging easier. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pen Content Digital for more programming tips and software development insights.